KU Leuven is more than 600 years old and hence one of the oldest universities in Europe. It's also one of the biggest universities with over 50,000 students. KU Leuven is a big believer in additive manufacturing and therefore it also teaches courses on this subject. It wants to accelerate and adapt additive manufacturing in Europe, and this XJet technology will take us there.
KU Leuven is very impressed by the XJet technology because it offers very high precision and very good detail. It solves many additive manufacturing problems. It's unlike other technologies in which a lot of powders is involved. This makes it very user-friendly and environmental-friendly. A lot of additive manufacturing companies are afraid of the post-processing because it takes a very long time and they take a lot of manpower to do that. The XJet technology provides a great freedom design because it uses water-soluble support. The XJet technology is a very high-speed printing technology. It uses thousands of nozzles to print the part in parallel. It can also print many different materials, for example ceramics and metals, so it is a great technology for research and development, for universities and for industry. I've been working on technical ceramics for more than 25 years, but in a traditional processing method for ceramics, it's very difficult. Until now, the XJet technology can print ceramic parts, especially very complex ceramic parts, very easily. The ceramic printing provided by XJet technology have so many different applications. One of them is the application in the medical sector. For example, this bone implant. Our future plan is to develop more applications in healthcare. We have many wishes and dreams to print parts that nobody did before.
This technology will connect academia and industry. KU Leuven wants to be a technology leader on this subject. XJet is one of the most innovative companies in the world, and this machine places us in the top of technology.